Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Capcut on your iPhone. So I'm provide full guide, so don't skip my video. So at first open App Store, search it to Capcut. So look here, not showing it to Capcut apps because Capcut recently banned some country. So don't worry, I am provide solution. If you want to follow my all process, then you get 100% solution. So don't skip my video. Open iPhone settings, click on, look here, I am living in United States, so this is the main problem. Just change my region. So I'm just select France. Select this option. Okay, you just fill up this form. If you want to copy all address same to same and press on next. Okay, now I'm check. So look here, now successfully changed my region United States to France. Now I'm try to install Capcut. Go to search option, search it to Capcut. Okay, now finally showing it to Capcut official apps 2025. Press on to download. Okay, download is processing. Okay, now finally complete. So just open. So that's it. That's how you can do it.